Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends to like a Facebook page. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook. So once you open Facebook, you simply need to log in into your Facebook account. So once you done that, you simply need to select your page. So once you select it, you simply need to click on three dots. And here you can see an option of invite friends. Click on that and then you need to click on switch. So it will take few seconds to switch to your Facebook page, and here you need to select all, and if you want to invite specific people you simply need to select those people, and then you need to click on send invitation. So this is the process by which you can invite friends to like a Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.